It's pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and you have a lot of AI features which you can use with this application here. But first off, we're going to take a look at the AI templates which you can use. You have a lot of AI templates which you can use. You can just upload a photo of yourself or a photo of reference to get these results. As you can see, a lot of them, you can tap on the see all option to even see more of these specific templates. You can see here a lot of them which you can use. So let's say, for example, you're interested in this one here. Just tap on the template that you want to try out. All you have to do is just upload a photo of yourself and get pretty much those effects. So you just tap on the generate option here, tap on the photo of reference, upload the photo of reference here, and also you can add in the negative prompt pretty much what you don't want into that, added into that image that's in our video that's going to be generated. And as well, down here you can select the video resolution. As you can see here, the full HD, you have HD here, set to a P. Also, you can select the video duration if you want to be 15 minutes, 10 minutes, as well as 5 minutes option there as well. As well, if you do not want any sound, I recommend disabling this option here. As well, you do have the sound advanced feature here. You can either upload your own music or sound, or you can just use the AI version, which pretty much just add something random for you. So that's pretty much it for that. And same thing applies for every one of these templates that you may be interested in. Same thing applies. For the feed section here, you can pretty much scroll and see other videos that's been created on the application. And all you have to do is tap on the create option. All you have to do is just tap on the create option down here, and you'll pretty much be able to replicate that video. Very, very easy. So as it relates to the AI features, you have the image to video. If you do tap on any one of these here, you can see pretty much tap on the upload an image as reference and your prompt down here. And down here you have the negative prompt option, and you don't have to even use a prompt for this as well. As you can see here, you can turn off this option and it won't be needed to use a prompt, just your image. As well, the aspect ratio and so forth. So another aspect ratio, resolution of the video. So down here, over here you have the text to video option. Here you just pretty much use a prompt, negative prompt option. You have the aspect ratio for this one here. The resolution, as you can see here, I'll pretty much go through all of these already. Same thing applies for the image to image option here, and the same thing applies to text to image. Here, this one's a bit different. Here it does pretty much enter your prompt or pretty much what you want to generate, and also the negative prompt, things that you don't want in the image, and as well the style of the image. So as you can see here, these are pretty much all the styles available for you to use. You can tap on that or icon here to pretty much get a close-up view of the image, or you can tap on the eye icon here to pretty much get an even closer view of the styles that we using. As you can see here, a lot of styles which you can use. You have the anime section, you have the realistic section, you have the 3D section here, a lot of styles which you can use, and as well you have the aspect ratio of it as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription to even use any one of these features for this application here. So you can either use diamonds, you can see at the top here, you have the diamonds option on the top, and as well you can get their subscription. You can tap on the pro option to get their subscription. As you can see here, once you do purchase their subscription here, you get 350 credits, and you have some amount of subscription which gives you different amount of credits. Those credits will be needed to pretty much generate your image, video, and everything as it applies to this application here. So that's really pretty much it. To get the diamond section, you have to tap on the diamonds at the top. It's kind of a bit tricky to tap on, but you can just tap on the 3 lines over here and select the credit details option here, and you'll be able to see the diamonds that you have as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and do make sure you log in if you're going to get your subscription, and as well you can tap on down here where you see purchase credits. But yeah, that's really pretty much it, and if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.